Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee, and I hope you guys are all still doing well. And I hope that this video finds you getting closer to returning to our normal everyday lives. And in this particular video, I am going to be doing an unboxing of my latest bestyle box from the two orchids, Karen and Lauren, and 850 Blues, which is a boutique. So this is my subscription box number 3, and I'm very excited to see what's in here. And so without further ado, I'm going to get started. I do have my readers with me just in case I need to see something, but we'll do it together and we shall get started. And I think I saw on the website that there's a couple of different things in here that aren't related to style and clothing, but things for the home, some skincare, which they always put in. So I'm excited to see what they look like. And I always have to show the ladies and remind everybody, if you don't already know, that they have an awesome YouTube channel of style and scent and beauty and favorites, and so just love them. All right, so the first thing that I'm going to pull out of here is this cute little bag. This is just absolutely adorable, and we'll see what's inside here. And I'm going to put my glasses on so I make sure I can actually read what I'm looking at here. So this is a lotion stick and bath bomb, Fresco by Nikki, bath and body products. So this is obviously someone that they know. Bath and Body Products. This is a lotion stick. And she has her website, frescobynikki.com. It smells like natural skincare, natural products. And so it's lotion. Obviously, you put it up. Oh, it has a nice, fresh, almost like lime, and it's very soothing. I wish I could let you smell it. It smells awesome. It is lime. Oh my goodness. I did not even read that. Lime lotion number 8. So there you go. There's a legit review of it, because I smelled the lime before I knew it was lime. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you, Karen and Lauren and Nikki. Fresco, and it reminds me of that. And then there's a bath bomb in here, which will be awesome. Bath bomb. So yeah, I'll definitely be trying that out. Looks like fun. And then this little bag is so cute, and I can reuse this as a gift for someone else for something, because I think this is really cute. I missed my daughter-in-law's birthday, which was a couple of weeks ago, so perhaps I can get her something that I can put in here when I finally do get to see her. So I really like that. And then these two little cute things, I knew these would come, and these are succulents, and these will be great for these are very, very cute. These would be great. I have a 2-tiered tray for the house. So I could use these as my little starting point. Adorable, lightweight, very, very cute. I actually have some already in my home that are like this, and I definitely do love succulents. And I have cats, so I can't have a lot of real plants. I do have a couple downstairs in an area where they can't get to, and I have some in here, which is kind of my workout room that the door is always closed, so I can have real plants and the cats won't eat them. So I do love the artificial stuff. So these are adorable. These are great. I will definitely be using them in my home. I was excited about this. This is a set of bracelets, so let's check these out. I love the way they put them in these cute little bags. So this is, oh, all individual. So these are really pretty. So they're kind of like the little beads. These are like glass. They look like glass beads. These are more of a regular bead with some really nice bling. I really like that. And then you have the gold bead. And again, the, I don't know what we would call this, but don't mind my nails. I gave my nails an opportunity to breathe. I usually do, obviously, if you know any of my other videos, I do my press-on nails, but I gave them a break, my nails a break, and let them breathe. And I did my own French. So yeah, we're working on stuff here. But I have, this is an Alex and Ani bracelet that I've had for a long time. And so I'm gonna put these on. Adorable. Gorgeous. You can coordinate them with other things that you already have. I have a Diamonique bracelet here, and I could put this on this side as well without the color. My Diamonique, this is from QVC. It's like it's beautiful. I love this. But I could put this on with that and add to the bling that I have on that arm if I wanted to. But I kind of like this one by itself just because it's so dainty and delicate and pretty. And I can link that on my video if you want. It's got nothing to do with what I'm unboxing, but I don't think the two orchids will mind. But I love it. It's so pretty and it's really great quality. So those are my bracelets, my new bracelets. Very happy. Happy indeed. And this is hair elastics. And what I like about these, I have some that are this sort of plastic, but they're all like kind of clear and some have a color to them. These are very neutral and very soft, and they won't catch your hair, and pretty awesome. And you know, because we're all home and basically just homebound, I do have to do a Zoom meeting for work every day, so I do have a reason to get up and get ready and do my hair and do my makeup. But there's plenty of days that on the weekends the hair just goes up in a ponytail or a bun or whatever. So this is going to be great to give that a shot. I feel like they picked out gifts for me personally and put them in a box with their own tender loving care, you know, the TLC that they put into it, as if they were sending them all to a really good friend. And that's what I like about, not that anybody else doesn't in their But those are kind of, you know, a lot of the monthly subscriptions are from companies, and, you know, yes, we definitely want to support them. But this is by these individual women who are doing this, and they're actually like handwriting the card. I mean, this is personal. This is sent with someone's personal energy, and so that means so much, because you see them on their YouTube channel, but they're actually putting a personal note to it. I ordered something from their boutique, and it came with a thank you card that Lauren wrote herself, and I was so touched, and I felt like, wow, she is treating me as an individual in a world that is so huge. And we often don't get that individual response when we send for something or we order something, and sometimes we do, but this to me is like special friends from across the country that you get to know, and that take the time to give it a personal touch. So thank you to Orchids. I really appreciate that, and it really makes a difference, especially right now where everybody, you know, even with our families, we're communicating via phone, we're communicating via FaceTime, and I miss hugging my kids so much. They live in their own homes, and, you know, my daughter's a nurse and she's still out there in the community, and so, you know, we're distancing, and, you know, we need those personal touches in our lives as much as possible. So yeah, this definitely fills that bill. And I think there's one last thing in here, and this is a clothing item. And I'm gonna take a look at it, and I will try it on for you so that you can see. I know it's kind of like, I don't know what I would call this, but Justin Taylor apparel. So it's a something that you would wear kind of like as a jacket, or a little what do I want to say, like a cardigan type of thing, but it's that nice sheer material, and it has this is kind of like a snakeskin print type of look, or even, yeah, it's not cheetah, it's like the snakeskin. And I think they do a couple of different things in everybody's box. There's like 3 different colors to choose from, and they pick it and they choose. So I am feeling very blessed with what they chose for me. So I'm just gonna put this on for you so you can see what it looks like, and then we will wrap up this video. But I am so happy and so pleased, and thank you to Orchids. Okay everyone, so I'm just gonna try it on. So I'll just give it a try on. I know my outfit probably isn't the best for that kind of top cover up, whatever I want to call it. I can use this, but I am going to give it a shot and show you what it looks like. So okay guys, I'm not sure if you can actually get a good view of what this looks like on. Maybe, yeah, you can. So this is going to be awesome. This is great for, I don't know, like an evening out in the summertime when, you know, during the day you had on the tank top, it chills down a little bit at night and you want something to just cover your shoulders. This is going to be absolutely beautiful. Gorgeous. It's just so, it's so sheer and lightweight and drapey. And if I had on leggings, something very tight fitting underneath, this would be just a perfect thing to put on top. Use this to go out to dinner. I can use this in the summertime as a bathing suit cover up. This is absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely love it, guys. Thank you so, so much. Thanks for all you do. Keep it up. Keep them coming. And I am so looking forward to using all of the things in my bestyle box. I'm going to definitely do a video on the succulents when I make my two-tiered tray, and I will show that and see how that kind of inspires me to build off of them. So with that being said, I thank you. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you'll subscribe if you haven't already. I would love any comments that you might want to leave. Let me know what you thought. Thanks, guys. Take care. Be well.